Alright, so I'm out riding. I'm getting ready to go do some photos, snap some photos at the Ferrari dealer. Man, I don't know where these Lamborghinis came from, but man, can I say, bad. What's up, man? You got, yeah, I take it y'all live in Wisconsin. I see Wisconsin plates. We do. So, what do y'all do, man? Sales. Really? So y'all were just out riding?
Yeah, we had a supercar event in South Barrington.
Really? Yeah. I actually was just going down to the Ferrari at Lake Forest to shoot some stuff for my show. Man. All right, well, hopefully I'll catch up with you guys another time, man. Hey, so what's up, guys? It's a little windy, so I'm gonna try to step back into the garage so I can be out of the wind a little bit. But man, I had a great weekend. It's now Monday, so the content that I'm going to show you today is from the weekend. And let me just say I have a lot of content. It was a great time. I did miss out on Supercar Saturday. I have found out about it now. I missed out on that. It was the first Saturday of the month. And now I know it's first Saturday every month. So I'll be looking forward to the next one to bring some content to you. So I'm going to wrap this up and bring you some content. I thought I was going to talk more about, if you can see it back there, I started peeling away at the trunk for my E92 M3. That was the content I wanted to put up. I may throw in a little clip of the updates on the parts. I'll go ahead and lead into that. Basically on Friday, I picked up the trunk. The hood came in as well. Basically, I was searching around for the airbox. From the last video, I had talked about how to remove and clean the filter or to replace the filter if you just have a drop-in factory filter. But from that video, and if you haven't watched that video, I'll put the link down below so you can check it out. But just long story short on that, in looking for the airbox, I ended up finding the hood and trunk from a couple of donor cars in Minnesota. So ordered those parts in. They have come in. I've got the hood is still over at the Axel Canaz, is a person that I deal with on a regular basis. He's got his own shop down in Lake Bluff area. So he is going to do the install of the hood. I couldn't get that here. It wasn't going to fit in the X5, but that's okay. I wanted him to go ahead and take care of that for me. I'm going to play around with the trunk and get that taken care of, and then do a DIY for that. So maybe not this Wednesday, but hopefully the next Wednesday or the next couple of episodes, I have a DIY for doing the trunk, so replacing the trunk on your E92 M3. So I've got some supercars. I got some Koenigseggs that I saw at the Ferrari Lake Forest dealership. Then I've got BMW dealership. I stopped by and checked out some of their latest and greatest toys in the BMW lineup. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Thank you guys, as always, for tuning into the channel. I hope you like the content, so definitely hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you do not miss any upcoming content, especially dealing with the build of my E92 M3. With that said, hey, thank you to my servicemen and women, as always, active duty, and my fellow reservists. Big salute to you, and you guys have a great day, and of course, keep driving.
Ryan Little.
Alright, so I feel much better now, so I'm just leaving. I'm getting something to eat at Meatheads. Now I'm going to head over to the dealership, to Ferrari Lake Forest, take a look at this beautiful Koenigsegg. See if I can actually do maybe a little review or something. I don't know. We'll see.
Brian Little.